So here we are, next step in the Manx build. I've already got the body, got a lot of the parts that we need to put the body together, but what I don't have is a really important piece, and that is a chassis. And how am I gonna solve that? Well, I thought about doing it a couple of different ways. First thought I had was, what if I just go to Washburn's and go buy one of the chassis that he's got sitting there and have him build it? It's a great idea, but I kind of want a complete car, because then I'm gonna get spring plates, torsion bars, I'm gonna get a front beam, pedal set, you know, all the other little things that I'd have to go hunting for. It just saves me a lot of time and energy to buy a car. And really, you can't find cheap Beetles anymore like you used to be able to. And I want a really specific car. I want a link pin car, early link pin with a swing axle. So the best bet for me was to go hunting on Facebook Marketplace. And luckily, really quickly, I found a really cool and cheap 65 Baja, which I bought and is actually getting delivered right now. If you want to check it out, here it is. So our friend Jason from Merco brought this down for me. Obviously, there's something missing, which is the body. I didn't have a need for it, so I just gave it to him. But this is our chassis. 65, really nice condition. Pans are in good shape. Pan head's nice and straight. Plus, I got all the little stuff I'm gonna need to use to build this Manx. So we're gonna get this thing off the trailer and then we'll take a closer look at it. This is Jason from Merco.
Hey guys.
Jason's my build partner. We do a lot of cars together. We're gonna be doing this car together too. Doesn't look like a whole lot yet, but this is the base for our Manx build. So you've had it longer than I have. It's the first time I've seen it. What do you think of it?
I mean, just like you know, nowadays to find a link pin anything that's not trashed or super expensive.
Yeah.
So if you need a build base, this is ideal.
It's kind of what I thought, is like looking around for just a cheap Beetle. You can't find anything that's like, you know, inexpensive, not beat up, destroyed, pans cut up or whatever. So I thought, let's find a Baja, because most Bajas out there are kind of on the cheaper end of the scale.
Right.
And I think I got lucky finding this one.
For sure.
And, you know, you can see, you know, just from looking at it, it's in really good shape. It's not beat up. Like the most important stuff where you make sure your pan head's not cracked or bent or beam bent or any of that stuff. And pretty much everything else like this, just gonna go right in the garbage. So it doesn't matter.
Well, the best part is it sat so long.
Yeah.
Since like what, 99 or
yeah,
something?
that's crazy, man.
Yeah, so you get that year span of not neglect.
Yeah. Yeah, not being abused and not being neglected.
Right.
So this is what we're starting with, dude.
Yeah.
And I know you haven't seen the body yet, but I'll show it to you pretty soon. And then I'm going to start getting this thing apart and probably get the pan all set up and shortened with shorter pan halves on it, and we'll be filming all of that, so you'll be able to check it out there, and then you're going to step back in and help me put this thing together. We got 30 days to do it, well, less than 30 days now, to build this car and make it a turnkey driver.
Be fun.
Yeah, I know. It's
Giant
so
Lego
much fun.
set.
Yeah, big Lego set.
Big
That's
Lego
right.
set. We love it.
So, dude, thanks for bringing it.
Yeah.
You're going to see a lot more of this guy real soon, so stay tuned, and we're going to get to work.
God bless with breath in these lungs. Life too short to play it on speed run. Only get one, no option to rerun. With Babylon goes too high to reach them. Down to earth, stay grinding when storms come. Rat race, only one to run from. Better say cheese, but saying split in the funds. Living in the moment, I ain't worried about none. I'm straight chillin'. Back against the wall, too acquainted with the feeling. Like you lost the mark, find a way if I'm willing. Only fear God, not spreading this lost children. Price on my head, exported a few trillion. Doing side missions, whatever I'm feeling. I'm built different, cruise with no ceiling. Sun shining on me, boy, I'm indifferent. Go!
And there it is. This is the 65, used to be Baja. Now it's just a rolling pan. I like to call it a giant skateboard. You call it whatever you want, but I mean, if you just look around, it's actually in really good shape. The beam is totally straight, which is abnormal for a Baja. As you know, most cars that were Baja'd, they had a front end accident. Somebody cut the whole front off of it, turns it into a Baja. This one, you can see it's all straight. Trailing arms are nice. Pedal cluster's in good shape. Actually, all still works. This car actually drove. Jason was driving it around his place when we first picked it up, or he first picked it up, and it actually runs and drives. Cool wood shift knob. Find that on eBay when you're ready for it. E-brake works. Pan halves are still really nice. There's just surface rust on that side, but it's not patched, it's not screwed up, it's no holes or anything like that. I mean, really, this is best case scenario. Even though we're going to cut all this stuff out, you always want to start with the best possible donor car you can, because it's less work later trying to fix it. So that's why I bought this car. I knew it was in good shape. It came with the title. It was currently registered. It was a perfect car. All the stuff that you see, for the most part, is just going to get taken out. Like the transmission is going to be a good core for us when we build our trans. The motor runs. It's a 1600 dual port. It's got a cool old school Baja exhaust on it. I really dig the tip. I think we'll do something like that with the exhaust on our Manx car. But cool old school Santana pulley on there. You know, I think what we're going to do is, this motor isn't going to get used for this project, but I got something else in store for this, so I'll use this for that, and you'll see this motor later on. It'll get a refresh. I know it runs great. Compression's really good on the motor, so again, another really good selling point. It's another reason why I bought the car. But this is it. This is the base for our Manx build. It doesn't look like much now, but if you've seen our other builds, you know what the level of quality is that we build. You know what this is going to look like. So we're going to get going on this. I'm going to start stripping this thing, and then we're going to take it to our buddy Brian Washburn at Washburn's Chassis, and he's going to shorten this up and build us a show quality Manx chassis. So let's get going. Let's tear this thing down.